But yeah, that's all the stuff to unbox. Now let's figure out what's going on with the wheel. All right, since I'm out here, you guys want to hear a cold start? Cold start isn't too crazy in the Miata. Bloop. All right, let's see if we can get this noise going. I mean, it's gonna happen, so kind of show you the rubbing that I'm talking about. All right, just listen to this. I mean, you're gonna be able to hear it. We're just gonna go in a small circle. Small circle. Alright, so look at this. Hear that? It's terrible. It's awful. Just stop the car right here. Let's see what's going on here. I don't know how anything could be touching. I can't see anything touching. We gotta stand outside the car while someone turns it? It's probably the next best try. Can I push it and make it happen? No, I'm suspecting that, I don't know, I thought it was rubbing on fender well, but, like fender liner. But if that's not the case, now I'm actually kind of concerned. I'm going to pull it over here and take the wheel off, and we're going to check and see where, there has to be some sort of markings on some part of it. We'll see what is actually going on. Boom. Check it out. Like, duh. Shit's just fucking hanging down. The bolt that was holding that in came out. And now it's coming down and it's just getting fucked by the tire. So there's the problem. I'm gonna figure out how to put that back up in through the hole. Looks like there's a hole right here and a hole right there. So I'm gonna re-tighten that. I'm sure people just delete this stuff, but I'll try and keep it together. A little bit of a pickle here. There's a hole. I'm assuming that there used to be a little bit more stuff on this corner, like plastic, and it must have went up and then secured through there, maybe. But the problem is the hole that goes through both of these goes into nothing. It's just like the inside of the fender. I don't know. There's like nothing to like tap it into. So I'm trying to figure out what to do right here. How to like, other than cutting it, you know? Alright, well, nothing zip ties can't fix. I'm going to zip tie them together. Hopefully that'll suck it up a little bit. I just checked the other side, and it's only held together by a clip that's just holding the two together. So zip tying it is going to be about the same effect. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to zip tie it. Yeah. Trimmed a little bit, and then also zip tie. Hopefully that'll keep it up off from being touched by the tire. If it still touches, I'm cutting a giant hole, triangle, square out of this thing. Hello?
Hello, boy.
Hello? Hey, look, it's Mando. What's up?
What you doing?
I was just about to film a test drive.
Ready to film with one hand. That sounds sketchy.
Well, alright. Full lock to the left? I mean, maybe a tiny bit of rubbing, but nothing crazy. Alright, now let's do to the right. Kitties! Oh my god, the kitties under there. Alright, let's see. So this is full lock to the right. I'm not even gonna go full lock, but wow. Yeah, I mean I went pretty hard to the right. And it didn't even make a noise. Let's see here. I'm gonna go this way, and then whip it back. That's full lock right. Full look right, and it's not touching, so that's literally perfect, at least for now. With these tires, no more rubbing. Hey guys, late night Jakey here. I did not film an outro, so here we are. I just wanted to say thanks for watching. I've been getting about a sub a day, so I appreciate all the support, whether it's from friends or family or just random people. Thank you a ton. Starting out with the new YouTube channel, super hard. There's not really a lot of exposure coming in, so everything matters. This is the multiple takes because I'm kind of doing this on the fly, and this wasn't picking up audio earlier. So hopefully everything works out. Hopefully this is the last attempt. And just want to say good morning, good night, wherever you're watching this, and thanks for the support. I'll see you guys on the next one. Appreciate it. Was that like a... Never mind. Stop.